Using Afterpay on Ticketmaster is a convenient way to purchase tickets to your favorite events without having to pay the full amount up front. To get started, you will need to create an account on both Ticketmaster and Afterpay. First, go to the Ticketmaster website and select the event you wish to attend. Choose your tickets and proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see a list of available payment options. Select Afterpay as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will be prompted to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can create one at this time. After logging in, you will see the total amount due in the payment schedule. Afterpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. Review the payment schedule carefully to ensure you understand when each payment is due. Once you have reviewed and agreed to the payment schedule, you will be redirected back to the Ticketmaster website to complete your purchase. You will receive an email confirmation from Ticketmaster once your purchase is complete. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Afterpay website or mobile app. Using Afterpay on Ticketmaster provides a flexible payment option, allowing you to secure your tickets today and pay for them over time. Always review the payment terms and conditions before completing your purchase to ensure you understand the payment schedule and any applicable fees. By following these steps, you can easily use Afterpay on Ticketmaster to purchase tickets to your favorite events. Remember to make your payments on time and review the payment terms carefully to ensure a smooth transaction.